This hyped and limited Air Jordan 1's resale price has been up and down like crazy. This Air Jordan 1, I know a lot of you have been waiting for me to review. I got them, I picked them up for retail. They took quite a bit to come in, but I did take a nice W for retail. This sneaker is straight fire. We're gonna take a look at the shoe, and then we're gonna talk about the resale price, whether I think they're gonna go up, whether I think they're gonna drop like crazy in price, what is going on with the resale price of this Air Jordan 1. If you guys are new here, make sure you guys subscribe to the channel. We have a Cool Gray 11 giveaway going on. Free Cool Gray 11 giveaway. All you guys need to do is hit that thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and comment your Cool Gray 11 size down below. If you have an icy bottom like these Travis Scott 6s or any sneaker that you just want to maintain and keep the value high but still wear your sneaker, you guys need to check out Drip Grip. Drip Grip makes really great sole protectors for the bottom of your sneakers so that you can wear them and keep them fresh. I'm gonna have a link down below in the description. Be sure to check them out and use my discount code, and be sure to save yourself some money on your order from dripgrip.com. If you guys wound up enjoying this video, please make sure you guys smash that thumbs up, and let's get straight into this Jordan 1. I've been waiting for these. Oh boy, I've been waiting for these. The Manier Air Jordan 1. You guys know I hit the 3s for retail this year and the 1s. Both for retail. Crazy. I still have the 3s. We'll take a look at the 3s. So here is the box. Size 11. I did get my personal size. Retail was $200 on these. They do have the sleeve, just like the 3s do. Clear plastic wrapping with Manier logos all over it. Now the box is a little different with the burgundy color as well as a cream color. You do have Manier at the top, the Nike. The other side, the Wings logo with, of course, Manier as well. And then you have the A on the opposite side, as well as where the size tag is. The box is really nice. Packaging is A1, because take a look at that. You do have the Jumpman on the inside, tissue paper with the Manier logos all over it, and oh my, I must say, these, in my opinion, are nicer in hand than in pictures and in video. The Manier Air Jordan 1. Resell has been all over the place with this sneaker. We've seen this sneaker drop like $100 in the matter of a few days and then go right back up and then back down, back up, back down. Resells all over the place. We'll talk about it. Manier Air Jordan 1s. The details on these are crazy. This cracked leather is something different, something we've never really seen before, except I believe on the taupe haze Jordan 4s. The midsole, it is, I would say, more cream, a little more cream than I would like. It's kind of like almost yellowish. Crazy details. Take a look at the Nike swoosh. Burgundy Crush is the official colorway of this. And then take a look at that Wings logo. Take a look at the back with, oh my goodness, full of details on the Manier Air Jordan 1s. Very nice. I think people are calling the 3s the sneaker of the year. To me, no, I don't put these as sneaker of the year either. I could name probably 5 to 10 other shoes I would put up over any of the Manier sneakers for sneaker of the year, but just a bunch of details quilted on the inside. Nike Air and Manier there as well. Very nice, dope shoe. Get them in hand. I think you guys will like them a lot better, and they do have that burgundy bottom. They do come with extra cream laces as well, burgundy laces on them. Tons of details when it comes to the Manier Air Jordan 1. Let me show you guys the Manier 3s, and then we're gonna talk about resell. If you could have one for free, are you taking the 3s or are you taking the 1s? Personally, that's tough. I don't know. I can't decide. Both are musts, so I can't really decide which one I like more. I think both are fire. I'm probably gonna go with a Jordan 1 over a Jordan 3 at the end of the day, but I think both are just really clean must-have shoes. Very nice materials used on both collabs. They killed it this year. They definitely did. Let's talk about that crazy resale price, because it's crazy what's going on with the Air Jordan 1. So after the sneaker released on Air's website, where I grabbed my pair from, the resale price in the bigger sizes and smaller sizes kind of did a little bit strange things. Bigger sizes, they were going for about $450, almost $500, pushing $500, $480, $490, pushing that $500 mark. They then all of a sudden drop like crazy to like $360, $370. But the smaller sizes is what's even crazier in my opinion. Once again, they were like $450 and they drop all of a sudden down to like $330, $320. Like crazy, a hard dip. Even worse than the bigger sizes. And now, if you look at prices, because the sneakers drop is over, people are getting pairs in hand from sneakers as well as on Air's website. Prices are starting to, I would say, level out, guys. This sneaker is starting to level out a little bit in my opinion, where they're at $380 right now. About $380 to $400 depending on size. I see them staying about that price for now. I do think these are a long-term hold. I don't see them going up too quickly. They might go up another $50 within 6 months, but I definitely see them taking quite a bit to go up after that. However, I definitely see them honestly being one day, I know this is gonna sound crazy to some of you, but one day I see them surpassing possibly the threes and being like a $700 to $800 Air Jordan 1. One day, you know, down the line, long-term hold, if you want to hold them, I definitely see them going up even more than the threes. The threes, we could talk about the threes real quickly. Since the ones have dropped, the threes have gone up like $100, just like that. So Air threes were a nice solid hold, which I told you guys to hold on to them and that they would go up. And yeah, they definitely went ahead and went up a little bit. About a $600 shoe now versus the ones that are about $380 to $400. They have to go up, in my opinion, and hit $450 to $500. If the threes are gonna stay at $600, I see these being for now a little bit less, but slowly climbing over the threes. Let me know what you guys think about that down below in the comments. Let me know if you agree. Let me know if you disagree. Let me know what you guys think about the Air Jordan 1 Air. I cannot believe I caught both for retail this year. Let me know what you guys think about the Air collab down below in the comments. Pick one, the threes or the ones. Let me know what you guys think about resell. It's crazy. Like I said, I think it leveled off for the most part now, and it'll just climb. It'll just climb. Definitely a sought after Air Jordan 1, and I just see them going up from this point forward. Let me know what you guys think about the Air Jordan 1s down below in the comments. I do think bigger sizes will go up a little bit faster. I'll toss that in for you guys as well. But yeah, overall, just a solid shoe and a solid, really good hold, in my opinion. The Air Jordan 1. And if you guys want, you can still continue to hold the threes. I see the threes rising up more, a little bit more on the threes, and you know, a significant amount here on the ones. Free Cool Gray 11 giveaway. All you guys need to do is hit that thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and comment your Cool Gray 11 size down below. I love you guys. I appreciate you guys. Make sure you guys join the More family. Hit that subscribe button, smash that like button. We're always on the grind. We're never gonna stop. Always dropping that fire, straight fire. Thank you guys so much for watching. We out.